One engine of job growth that's still going strong, small businesses. They've made up the lion's share of excess hiring since the pandemic, and they're still struggling to find enough workers to fill their job openings. Kate Rogers here with the details. Hi, Kate.
Hey, Kelly. Well, aside from lending troubles, inflation, and supply chain issues, the lack of workers available to fill jobs is keeping small business owners up at night. The NFIB says 44% of owners in May had openings that they couldn't fill. That's near a record high. The pain is most acute in sectors like construction. Take a listen to Brendan McCluskey of Trident Builders.
We're on the precipice of having some real opportunities for growth. And am I going to be able to staff it? You know, I'm trying to get to that next level, and almost like the next weight class, and which would allow us to stabilize our revenues, grow, invest in people, invest in systems, frankly, just make more money.
Another sector where it's being felt is retail. Owners like Allison Huge say that they're operating short-staffed and workers have shifted their expectations post-pandemic.
It's just been hard to kind of balance the expectations of the team and the needs of the business and the needs on both sides, and then also the expectations of the customers because, you know, we're having to close early because we don't have enough people.
Now, another note, some owners are slowly now pulling back on hiring. Job creation plans have slowed over the last year as optimism wanes and owners await this potential recession, Kelly. So a few different issues there for Main Street.
Yeah, and I noticed construction. Obviously, there's been a big construction boom going on partly because of the CHIPS Act, Inflation Reduction Act. But immigration, is that usually one way people fill these holes?
Yeah, and certain sectors, Kelly, are pushing for more comprehensive immigration reform. So the National Restaurant Association, for example, says that that's a huge part of filling roles in that part of the economy. And right now, there's one application for every 2 open jobs. So one applicant there with the expectation that another 500,000 jobs will be added by the year's end. 80% of restaurant operators have open positions right now. So that group is pushing Congress to pass what's called the Essential Workers for Economic Advancement Act. And that would create a pathway to fill these market-driven positions with non-immigrant visas for temporary positions. So they say that's just one piece of the puzzle. But the restaurant industry really could use that reform to help fill those open roles.
Very interesting. Kate, thank you. Our Kate Rogers reporting.